So do you think now, since Delap can finish,
yes,
can score goal, do you think now Jackson's career in Chelsea has ended? Premier League is coming.
Yes.
Champions League is coming.
Yes.
And Jackson, some days he is good too.
Yes.
Some days Jackson is like Drogba.
Yes.
I'm telling you.
Yes.
But some days he is like who?
Some days
he's like Nunes.
Listen, Hodgland. Let's just say Hodgland.
Yes.
Neon Delap is able to give some kind of small results.
He
overtake Jackson
for sure.
So that's why I say Neon Delap is having.
But for me, I believe that Jackson will take the challenge. Jackson, he will take the challenge.
I like that.
Competition.
When there is competition like that, there will be a challenge.
Yes.
So now Jackson will not relax that.
He will wake up.
He is the only striker for Chelsea that he can be misbehaving or doing anything that he wants. He will know that now they've signed a senior man in addition to me. So if I want to get playing time, then I should do well. Because if senior man Neon Delap is against Chelsea,
the guy is
against Man City, and Neon Delap has scored a goal, who is going to substitute?
Nobody can stop.
Enzo Maresca cannot even make that.
No. Who sack him?
So
Liam Delap and Nicolas Jackson. Now Delap has arrived. And not bad, but so far so good for Liam Delap. 3 games in the Club World Cup. He scored and assisted. And Nicolas Jackson, 2 games or 1.5 games. He assisted and red carded. So for that matter, guys, now it is looking like Liam Delap is to take over Nicolas Jackson number 9 position in Chelsea. Because what we are now seeing, even information came that Napoli interested to sign Nicolas Jackson and Juventus. Yes. So now it is looking like Jackson's career is coming to an end in Chelsea. Guys, it's Jackson's career end after the arrival of Liam Delap. That is why we are here. So let's do the analysis together. Let's do the tokens together, guys. So please let us hear from you under the comment section about Chelsea number 9. Who should be our number 9, our main number 9 next season? Liam Delap or Nicolas Jackson? Or do you think that Jackson's career has ended in Chelsea? Isa.
Rich. We are back again. First of all, thank the Almighty God for the protection and everything that He has done for us. Well, today we are here to share another information about Chelsea forward.
Yes.
Whether their performance and who should be Chelsea what?
Our main number 9 striker.
Main number 9 for
who
this
should be our
season.
next Drogba.
Well, Rich, from the beginning, I heard you making a particular statement that we should be Chelsea number 9 for this particular season. Now, before Chelsea will go and sign Delap, Chelsea people are aware that now signing Delap, they knew that their striking side is very poor. So they need a striker who can come and then convert the chances and also give them the results. So here be the case. That's why Chelsea people, they search through and they realize that they want a striker who understands the dynamics of EPL. So they realize that all the strikers that they want, if they won't be able to buy either Osimhen, who is not even playing the EPL, they won't be able to buy Alexander Isak. Then Neon Delap is also one of the guys that who can improve, so they have to buy him. So Neon Delap is now a striker that they've signed to come and play for Chelsea. Now, they knew that Chelsea forward is not good.
Yes, it's not.
Nicolas Jackson is not what giving them the results.
The goals.
And sometimes Nicolas Jackson, some kind of matches that they need Nicolas Jackson can take either some kind of red card. Or Nicolas Jackson can maybe give them some kind of performance that they don't want.
The game,
So because of that, that's why they bought him. I was making a statement that before you sign a player, you have to ask yourself that is that player upgraded to what maybe the player that you have in your team already. And that is what we are going to look at it. When we look at the EPL, when we look at all their performance, we can say that when we look at Neon Delap performance, it's better than Jackson.
Are you sure?
Yes, it's better than Jackson.
Okay.
Yes, it's better than Jackson.
A bit better than Jackson when he was at Ipswich or when he just came to
Ipswich Town.
Okay.
The kind of performance that he's giving to them, the kind of striking, the kind of physicality and confidence and the teamwork that the guy is having over there, that tells you that even when he gets a better team who is more than Ipswich Town, he'll be able to give them the results. So because of that, that's why Chelsea they've seen that thing in him. Then they went and brought the guy to come and play the number 9 for them. Now, when you look at the difference between Jackson and Neon Delap is that Neon Delap is having the kind of contribution. The teamwork is there. The finishing here that we are talking about, any striker, whether you have the contribution, the physicality and the confidence, everything is there, and the conversion is not there. People don't see the
as a striker, you have to,
as a striker, we know that
goals.
As a striker, when they are talking about a striker, we are talking about the convention of what goals or goal scorer. So this is your work in a team. So whenever you are not scoring the games, now the fans or it speaks to the entire team that no, we don't have a striker that we can use to compete. If you are a striker, even irrespective of giving assist, and you are not scoring safe, the entire team, it speaks to them that no, you are not giving them what their results. So this is one thing that Jackson is lacking.
Okay.
Jackson is lacking those things.
The finishing edge.
Finishing edge or the finishing point is what he lack. That's why Chelsea people they realize that no, if the finishing point is not what you have problem there, then let's get somebody who can be having what the finishing point in order to send us what ahead. When you look at most of the matches played by Chelsea this particular season, there are most of the balls that they need a striker who can convert them to finish all the way. They need a striker who can finish those balls for them. But where is that particular striker? We know that in terms of contribution, Jackson is perfect over there, working with the teammates, disturbing defenders, and then everything, the attacking side and everything. He is doing that job, but the conversion is not there.
It's not there.
So this is the difference between. But Neon Delap looking at him, he is doing that thing, and opposite time we can see the kind of goals that he's scoring over there. So that's why Chelsea people they've upgraded him above Jackson. They went and brought him.
So do you think now? Since Delap can finish, can score goal, do you think now Jackson's career in Chelsea has ended? Because as we are speaking, Chelsea is about to sign some wingers. Ahead Kudus, Jamie Gittins, Malik Fofana. So Jackson can also play as left wing. So that means even if Chelsea send Jackson back to the wing position, it will be difficult for him to be starting. And here is the case: the number 9. Delap has arrived. So does it mean that Jackson player as number 9 or being Chelsea striker is now off?
Rich, it's not off. I would say it's not off because in a team, you can be having a situation. Let's do comparison when Man City people were having Haaland, whom they know that he's one of the striker in terms of conversion. He's very perfect in terms of that. Julian Alvarez is also one of the perfect strikers that we can talk about it. One of the strikers that even if Chelsea they get safe cover, they will be happy. Julian Alvarez was one of the typical strikers for Argentina national team. So because of that, but when you compare Julian Alvarez is a winger, and he can still play as what number 9 side. So when you look at him, we are as comparing him to what Nicola Jackson's situation currently. They realize that no. In a team, you have to have somebody who can back another person. In football, we can encounter injury situations. In football, they will get to a point that a player can become what tired, and maybe most of the time it's not even about the tired aspect. We talk about the injury situation. Right now, Neon Delap has played some 3 matches. So this is Club World Cup, and this is not even a trophy that is
like
a competitive trophy that Chelsea bought him. Chelsea bought him because of the Champions League
and the Premier League,
and the EPL. That's why Chelsea bought him. So because of that, these leagues are leagues that he has not touched any game on that. He has not started games based on this particular leagues in Chelsea Football Club. So he's still coming. So we don't know whether he has finished the season successfully without any injury, or whether you end up by being at the middle of the season and even the performance is not coming. And we don't know why Jackson will also improve in the next season coming. So because of that, having 2 strikers in the team is not all that bad. So if Chelsea people are planning to sell him, if Chelsea sell Nicola Jackson, now when Neon Delap is injured, then it means that this is the situation they will force to play a false number 9, and which you don't have a player who can play that false number 9. And a false number that you don't expect somebody who is always having pace, running balls. When you are playing Neto, for instance, he is having pace. So all the balls you want him to be given to him as what running balls. So sometimes I keep on saying that too much of meat doesn't spoil the soup. Of course, we knew that as compared to Man City. When you look at Julian Alvarez and Haaland, they are all good strikers. But Man City was maintaining these particular 2 players for a period of 2 seasons. And nothing happens to them. All of them were getting playing time. So because of that, I wish if Chelsea people maintain Nicola Jackson as backing up for Leon Delap, it would have been okay. And some of the matches are there. They can rest some matches that we think is too small, or maybe some
like
of that
the Carabao Cup, the FA Cup,
FA Cup, and then the Conference League. They can rest him and be preparing him for what big matches like Champions League and then the EPL, the big matches. And Jackson can start those kind of matches, and you will not be a rest out for the next matches.
Okay, for me, when I look at these our two strikers, I still stand that there's still competition among them. yes. Currently, Delap show it. Yes, that he can be that number 9. Okay. But for me, I still stand that when the season starts, they will judge them very well.
Yes.
Because as we said, this is the Club World Cup. We just play against Flamingo and LAFC, some teams. Yeah. So when the Premier League season starts, then we shall see. How Jackson is going to perform against City, how Delap is going to perform against Liverpool, or against City, or against Crystal Palace, Aston Villa, top opponent, or like his link-up play, his finishing, them being clinical. So for me, as of now, like still, I can't pick my main number 9. I'm telling you, because things are too early. It's too early for us to just come out. Yes, Delap, as I said, Delap show it. He showed the glimpses that he can be that, but still, it's too early. Premier League is coming. Champions League is coming. And Jackson, some days he is good too. Some days Jackson is like Drogba. I'm telling you. But some days he is like who?
Some days he's like
Nunes.
Listen, Hodgland. Let's just say
Hodgland. Yes. So for me, when the season starts, the Premier League season starts and the Champions League season starts, I will then judge them. And then pick my main number 9. But for now, I will not say Delap is better than Jackson, and I will not say Jackson is better than Delap. Because one thing I even like about Jackson, he is not a lazy player. When Jackson is in the game and it is not working for him, he will not be like null and void in that game. He will not be like Jackson is not just doing anything in this game. Even if Jackson can score, but you can see his contribution, his intensity, the pressing. You see, and all these things matters in modern football. Cover spaces, making it uncomfortable and difficult against opponent defenders. So Jackson, the way maybe we are looking at him, Jackson, he's not good. Yes, he's not that all bad. So for me, the Premier League season start, I will come out with my main number 9. But I'm wishing them all the best. I want Nicola Jackson to give me goals, and I want Delap also to give us goals. But for now, I don't think someone is better than someone.
You know why I was saying that is because these people are all having their contribution. But one thing that Leon Delap is having in favor of
ahead of Jackson's
the conversion.
The clinical aspect. Maybe Jackson, he is a young player. He just turned 24 years. Until last week. So he can improve.
I keep on saying, the big clubs, they won't consider the age. They won't say that Jackson, you are a young player.
For sure, for that one.
So the thing is that if only Leon Delap is able to give some kind of small results, he will overtake Jackson.
For sure.
So that's why I say Leon Delap is having.
But for me, I believe that Jackson will take the challenge. He will take the challenge. I like that. Competition.
When there is competition like that, there will be a challenge. So now Jackson will not relax that.
He will wake up.
He is the only striker for Chelsea that he can be misbehaving or doing anything that he wants. He will know that now they've signed a senior man in addition to me. So if I want to get playing time, then I should do well. Because if senior man Leon Delap is against Chelsea,
the guy is
against Man City, and Leon Delap has scored a goal, who is going to substitute him?
Nobody can stop.
Enzo Maresca cannot even make that.
No. Who sack him?
So he has to. This is where the competition lies.
So guys, let us hear from you under the comment section. That is our humble opinions about our two strikers, Liam Delap and Nicola Jackson, who will be Chelsea main number 9. So far as we saw in the Club World Cup, Liam Delap scoring and giving assists. What's your thought on him and Nicola Jackson? Guys, let us hear from you under the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button. Another video is coming about Alejandro Garnacho and Christopher Nkunku swapping deal. Guys, so please turn on the notification bell. When that video comes, you'll be the first person to see it. And I gave you a video about Chelsea buying Sporting. Yes, they didn't want to sell Victor Gyökeres to Chelsea. Yes, but now because the money back is there, we are going to buy the whole team, including Victor Gyökeres. So that video is here. Please click to enjoy them. Take care, peace.